Hi, welcome to How to Repair. I'm here today at Posada de Valdeon, and I think I pronounced that correctly, which is one of the most spectacular campsites in northern Spain. It is based on a mountain range here on the edge of the Pyrenees, and you can see how stunning the views are. This campsite only costs €15 a night. Okay, the main entrance is basically straightforward. It's a key pass. You have a machine, and you'll have to excuse me, I'm holding the tripod. You have a machine that will take the booking for you, also give you other information. It's in German, English, Spanish and French, and it gives you a pass card. So I'll just put that on the screen for you. Once you've got your card, you've then got access in and out during your stay period. There is a shower block which is around the corner there, and I'll put a couple of pictures up of it. It's very well kept, very well maintained. Then you stroll down. I've come over the back of the campsite now, but this has got some of the greatest facilities, especially in the summer. I'm actually standing in the water play area for the children, and what actually happens here in the summer is you have a full fountain system that comes on and sprays water for the children to play in. You've also got some great barbecue areas at the top. You've got a cracking shower block, but the problem being is, as with the other video I made on their solar water system, at the moment they don't have hot water, which is a little bit of a letdown really, because some people come up here with small campers that don't have shower facilities, and really it is hard work coming up here with very large campers like myself, but with smaller vans it is accessible, but it is in one of the most stunning locations. You only actually have to look out at this mountain range, and let me bring you round to the other side so the camera can follow me. Not only have you got some of the greatest walks in this area, you've also got the mountain ranges. There's hundreds of little streams and valleys that flow through all these gorges, and some of the best motorbike riding you could ever experience. I mean, some of the roads that I've been on are absolutely exhilarating. Anyway, let me take you through a quick walk in the campsite. Firstly, you've got hot water. You haven't got hot water at the moment, but you have a lovely shower block. So hopefully they rectify that. Every camper has water and electric on the actual camping spot. You don't need to go anywhere. They have wastewater for grey water and also toilet dumping as well. It looks like the electricity supply to each camper is a minimum of 10 amp, and I tested that last night with my Victron system. It has multiple restaurants in the village, although in the winter a lot of them do not open. I can tell you that now. I've actually struggled to get a meal from a restaurant in the evenings because a lot of them have been shut. This is just because there is not that many campers here, and during the winter you must remember it is nearly, if snow falls, it's nearly impossible to get down here. It is a heck of a road to get here, but worth every minute. The reason I came here is I wanted a couple of days taking the motorbike out around the mountains, and as you'll most probably see in one of the other videos, I've been recording all these fantastic mountain roads, but the campsite is absolutely stunning, and take a look at this view. Lovely shower block, although you don't have cubicles, but you must remember we're in the mountains. All clean and tidy, but the problem being is the taps are stone cold. I can't tell you how cold that water is. Up here, I would say this water coming out the tap is no more than 4 or 5 degrees, and we're in November. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around here. Thanks very much for watching. Remember to subscribe, and I'll leave you with this stunning view. There are no words to describe it.